For more than 30 years, Prota has been delivering advanced engineering solutions for building design to thousands of professional structural engineers around the world. Our new ProtaStructure 2018 is packed with great new features to facilitate structural design. Let's take a look. We've made modeling easy in ProtaStructure by using real physical members with dynamic input. Here I can insert physical columns by picking a node at an axis intersection or windowing a region. Wall panels are inserted by picking 2 points. For efficient design, wall panels can be merged to form core walls. Inserting beams is also easy. Just pick 2 nodes along an axis line or windowing around. Inserting slabs is also simple. Just pick regions surrounded by beams or use edge lines having any form. Aligning member eccentricities against the architecture can be quickly adjusted by using arrow keys or by typing the values. Once you're done, use our handy visual interrogator to check your model and loading. Generating similar stories by copying the source story couldn't be easier. At any time, you can go back and edit the generated stories individually if you wish. Setting up symmetrical plans is also a breeze using mirror functionality. ProtaStructure uses intelligent yield lines or finite elements to accurately decompose slab loads to frames. Slab openings, line or patch loads are all considered. ProtaStructure makes setting up your steel models fast and simple. Here I'm selecting a profile section from the library. Simply pick nodes to insert steel columns and define steel beams. Trusses are easy. Pick 2 columns, select the truss type and set its parameters. And the truss is instantly generated. It's then made available to copy elsewhere. Setting up purlins is great. Simply pick 2 trusses or beams to insert. Pick columns to insert braces. And similarly, pick 2 columns to insert girts. Fast and simple steel modeling. Once you're done, use ProtaSteel to design and detail all your steel connections and steel work. ProtaStructure saves you hours by automatically creating the analysis model from the physical objects. Merge your foundation model together with the superstructure to consider soil structure interaction. Our unique solver gives you all results from multiple analysis types transparently in one run. And check your model using real-time graphics and animations. Visualize dynamic behavior including vibration mode shapes. Save analysis time by selectively meshing only the stories and walls you like. And determine critical members by viewing the member forces. See any nodal and span loads. And filter large models to focus on what's important to you. Use features including FE stress, reinforcement areas and deformations in your slab systems to review performance. Even mesh the column section boundaries for more economical design. ProtaStructure automatically designs all your columns, walls and beams in one go. At any stage, you can interact with the design if you wish. All design checks are live. Members can also be intelligently grouped. All your detailed drawings are then automatically created at a touch of a button using ProtaDetails. Complete your design in ProtaStructure by designing all your foundations including piled footings, pad bases, combined foundations, rafts and piled rafts. Automatically create all output into reference drawing sheets for fast project delivery. Use built-in CAD functionality to make changes as well as provide full quantities and shop detailing where required. Become more efficient and more productive with ProtaStructure. Share your project model with other leading BIM platforms, including Rivet. ProtaStructure redefines what's possible, taking innovation to design.